In this video, I have shared how to get Google Pixel watch faces on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So before starting, I want to tell you guys that you cannot install Google Pixel watch faces APK file on your Galaxy Watch Ultra because it's running on One UI 6 based on Wear OS 5, and that uses Google's new watch face format. That's why this APK file is not working on Galaxy Watch Ultra. But for Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 5 that are still running on One UI 5, you can install this new APK file, and installation process is the same. You just have to download this APK file from the link down in description. Once downloaded, you have to install this APK file using Gemini Man Wear OS Manager. For a step-by-step guide on how to install this APK file, check out the link down in description, as I have already explained it in a previous video. Unfortunately, always on display mode is still not working on these watch faces. For example, this Concentric watch face still has a broken AOD mode, but we have all those Pixel watch faces here on Galaxy Watch 6. Now on Galaxy Watch Ultra, I have shared some watch faces from Google Play Store. These watch faces are kinda like Pixel watch faces. Once again, you will not get 100% same Pixel watch faces, but they are really close, and always on display mode on them works perfectly fine. The first one is Concentric. You can customize this watch face, and it offers many different color combinations like this. Plus, here is the always on display mode on this watch face. Next face that I have is JHW Analog, and it is like those minimal Google Pixel watch faces. It shows our time in analog format, and you can change color combination with this hand right here. Then you can change style of fonts in the background. SkyMax One face is also minimal, and it's having that material design from Google. Once again, this face offers many color options that you can customize. Plus, you can also show or hide seconds hand, that is right here. StyleMyWatch is another interesting minimal face that is available for free, and it offers this unique looking design where seconds are here or is highlighted in this yellow box, while this pointed end shows minutes. Last one on the list is HJ Big Number. With this face we have those bold fonts in the background, and you can change a lot of color options here with this face. So give these faces a try and let me know in the comment section if you find a Google Pixel style similar watch face on Play Store. This will help the community a lot. So that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.